Hi, I'm Madhya. I am from Jharkhand. I belong from a very diverse background. I was working as a flight attendant at Indigo Airlines, and thereafter I decided to pursue artificial intelligence and data science from TAPMI. This specialization in itself, it demands you to stretch yourselves to go beyond your capabilities, and it demands you to be technically honed, to be ready for facing the industry-driven challenges in a business scenario.
Hi, I'm Harsh Memani. I'm currently pursuing an MBA in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. If you want to be in just marketing or finance, you're just studying this frameworks, jargons, and just being into that particular space, and you specialize over there. Whereas the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science program is a perfect bridge where you can get your business concepts and your technical jargons in place, and then have an end-to-end entire product development all together. When I speak to my friends who are in the industry in similar roles, they say, you're having a real-time experience as to what actually goes into work. So it's a fantastic way as to how the curriculum is designed.
Hi, I'm Meghna Mariam. I'm currently pursuing my MBA in AI and Data Science at TAPMI Manipal. One of the biggest USPs of this course is it's a joint venture between TAPMI and MSIS. This is one of the major important points in our course. It's called the concurrently running project. So the project I'm working on is loan fraud detection. How are we making use of machine learning models or deep learning models to detect a fraud? There are a couple of other students in our classes who are working on market segmentations or sentimental analysis. So all of these kind of things that are there that are very industry relevant at this point of time. So this is something that is helping all of us to prepare along with the theory subjects.
Recruiters are reacting well. We've got good number of companies coming for our placements. We have had our internship part so far where we've sat for our internships, and their demand is that we understand the technicalities really well. So you cannot have partial knowledge. You need to have good knowledge to actually interpret the technicalities to convert into business.
When I look at others, they do have these certifications to display their skills, that they are trained in, say, SQL, that they have knowledge in basic learning for Python. However, when it comes to us, we actually have real-time projects. We have work to display, not theories to tell. I think the way they have designed the curriculum, the way they have imparted the teaching, the way they have made sure that here at TAPMI we get our concepts clear, we get our basics in place, and there at MSIS we get the execution part of it in place. I think just the beauty of this curriculum is what will sail you through the entire process. So please do not worry and just be acceptable, be more welcoming and open to learning.